Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can upload a video on Rumble. So let's start how you can upload your content on Rumble. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to Rumble. We have to open this website, and after that we have to create account on it. After that, as you can see, has the option. So you have to click on the profile icon, and here is the option for the my content. So you have to click on the my content. You can also upload this from here. As you can see, has icon for the uploading. So we have to click on this and upload your video. So we have to click on the upload video, and after that we have to choose the video, that which video you want to upload. So I'm going to choose, for example, this one, or you can also choose another one. So let's I'm going to select this one, and after selecting this, as you can see, now simply we have to provide the video title and the video description and the primary category, for example auto entertainment, or for example I'm gonna, for example, 7 die video game, or whatever you can select category, it's up to you. So let's element talk video game nature and sounds. So for example, I have selected this, and now after that you have to provide the text, and after that you have to select this publish, or you have to select the visibility public, unlisted or private, and after that simply, and here your video will be uploaded. As you can see, has the upload option, so you have to click on the upload and the video will be uploaded. So in this way you can upload content, upload video on Rumble. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.